In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by holding your display. Then select Personal Customization on the left. Select Theme. Pick any of those by clicking on the best one for you. I will go with Magic Color Time Mirror and hit Apply. So when I go back to check it out, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!